السلام علیکم پیارے بچوں، آج کی کلاس میں ہم پڑھیں گے سبحانی قاعدہ۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 8 مرکب حروف ما حرکات۔ لائن نمبر 3 زبر زیر پیش کو حرکات کہتے ہیں۔ حرکات والے حرف کو متحرک حرف کہتے ہیں۔ تعوذ اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ را زبر را، ضاد زیر ضی راضی، یا زبر یا راضیہ، ضاد پیش ضو، عین پیش عو، دعو، فا پیش فو، دعوفو، ضاد پیش ضو، را زیر ری ضری، با زبر با ضریبا۔ چلیں اب ہم اس کا رواں پڑھتے ہیں۔ راضیہ، ضعفو، ضریبا۔ چلیں اب ہم اس سبق کو اپنے قاعدے میں دہراتے ہیں۔ پڑھیے سبق نمبر 8 مرکب حروف ما حرکات۔ زبر زیر پیش کو حرکات کہتے ہیں۔ حرکات والے حرف کو متحرک حرف کہتے ہیں۔ متحرک حرف کو نرمی اور جلدی سے پڑھتے ہیں۔ تعوذ اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم۔ تسمیہ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ را زبر را، ضاد زیر ضی راضی، یا زبر یا راضیہ، ضاد پیش ضو، عین پیش عو، دعو، فا پیش فو، دعوفو، ضاد پیش ضو، را زیر ری ضری، با زبر با ضریبا، راضیہ، ضعفو، ضریبا۔ ٹھیک ہے بچوں، اب اس سبق کے ساتھ ساتھ آپ اپنے پچھلے اسباق کی بھی دہرائی لازمی کیجیے۔ صدق اللہ العظیم۔ فی امان اللہ۔
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Now here is our early learner book. Let's do some new exercise today. Today I am going to explain you about verb. We have done noun before and now we are doing verbs. Verb, children, verb is a word which shows action. Now here is page number 67 and unit 11. Read the caption. What is written here? Verbs. Now see, a verb tells us what we do. We have described here also that verb tells us what we do. See, there are pictures and they are showing what they are doing. Now see this man, what this man is doing? Jumping. Here is, this man is doing swimming. What is the girl doing here? Hopping. I hop, I jump, I swim, I hop. And this girl is doing skipping. I skip. And what this girl is doing? Run. I run. Now what this boy is doing? I sit. And here is another picture. I stand. What is he doing? I talk. What is she doing? What this boy is doing? And what is she doing? This girl is eating and this boy is drinking. Now see, they are all doing something. This is called verb. Everyone is doing something. So doing words are called verbs. Now what you have to do, you have to now read this caption with me. Draw a picture of yourself doing something. Now here is a box. Inside this box you have to draw a picture what you will do. You can, if you are eating, you can make a picture that you are eating something. If you are jumping, you can show the picture that you are jumping and write here what you are doing. Suppose if you are eating, you can write I eat. If you are jumping, you can write I can jump. Okay? In this way, you have to solve this page. Thank you. Now, let's do some more work in our early learner book, children. Now, here is page number 69 and activity number 39. Jobs. Now see, what is the caption? Jobs. Draw a line to link the person with the verb. Now here also they are all doing something. This man is cleaning, teacher is teaching, here is an actor, he is acting, here is a dancer, here is a dancer, she is dancing. Here is a singer, she is singing, and here is a driver, he is driving. So they are all doing their jobs. Now, what you have to do with the help of a scale, you have to draw a line. Now see teacher. Now see, where is the picture of teacher? Here is a teacher, she is teaching, she is explaining something on the board. Here is a cleaner. What is he doing? Cleaning. So we have to find out the word. Where is the cleaner? Here. Okay. In this way, now here in this picture, what they are telling? Acting. I act. You have to draw a line with the correct word, actor. Actor is acting here. Okay. Now, in this way, what is she doing? Dancing. So she is a dancer. So you have to draw line to this word, dancer. What this girl is doing? Singing. She's a singer. So you have to draw a line here, singer. Now what this man is doing? He is driving. So you have to draw a line here with the word driver. In this way, you have to solve this page. I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Now this is your more for us, and this is page number 32. Write date here and day here on this blank. Write HW on the top. Now today we are going to now read the caption. Concept of tens and units, write in numbers. Now first I am going to tell you what are tens and what are units. Unit is, children, always alone. It has no friend. And 10 has many friends. Tens lives in a bar containing 10 numbers. Now, see, this is 1 10 and 3 units. Now you have to write this in number. 1 tens and 3 unit means 13, right? So, how many tens here? Only 1 10 and the unit is 3. 4 tens and 5 units, it means it is 45. 45 has 4 tens and 5 units. 7 tens and 1 unit. Now it means 71. 7 tens means 70 and 1 unit. 71. You will read like this, 71. Now 5 tens means 50. 5 tens and 0 unit. Now you have to write 50 here inside the empty box, touching the line. Do not write big numbers, okay? 8 tens and 8 units. Now what does it mean? It means 88. 88 has got 8 tens and 8 units. 2 tens and 9 units. 2 tens means 20 and 9 units, it becomes 29. 6 tens means 60 and when you add 7 unit it becomes 67. Now how you write here and read here? You will read 67 and write inside the box. In this way you have to solve tens and units. and you have to write in numbers. Okay, thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आपकी उर्दू की नोटबुक है, इसका आपने बैक साइड पे ओपन करना है। सबसे पहले आपने यहाँ तारीख लिखनी है और दिन लिखना है। उसके बाद आपका उन्वान है एक जैसे अल्फाज बनाएं। जैसा कि हमने अपनी मोरफरस की किताब में किया था वैसे ही है ये। पहले क्या लिखा है, रे अलिफ रा जीम साकिन, राज। फिर आपने इसके साथ मैंने आपको ये एक एग्जाम्पल दी है, एक मिसाल दी है, आपने इस तरह बनाना है ताज, काज, लाज। एक जैसे है ना ये अल्फाज, सबके आखिर में क्या आ रहा है, जीम। सबके आखिर में जीम आ रहा है ना, तो इसी तरह से आपने इन अल्फाज के एक जैसे अल्फाज बनाने हैं। जैसे काम का होगा आम, जाम। ओके, शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Now see, what is this? It is an orange. What is the color of orange? It is orange in color. Now let's do some activity with this orange. Before doing the activity, children, I remind you, wash your hands or sanitize your hand. Okay? Now today we are going to tell you how to make an activity from this fruit. Okay, now take an orange, peel it off. Now peel it off just like me. Slowly and gradually. Now after peeling off, now take two halves. One half in the center, keep one half in the center, and then make legs from another half. It's a very well-known animal. At the end you will see which animal we are making with the help of this fruit. Very interesting and very funny. You enjoyed very much. Now see, keep the legs like this on both the sides, and after then you have to make eyes of this animal. Take two cloves and pierce it and make an eye. See? How is it easy? Now can you recognize this animal? Yes, it's a turtle. I hope everyone enjoyed this activity. Now I am going to tell you about the benefits of eating an orange. It is full of vitamin C and good for the skin. It boosts our immune system. Now, children, it is a winter fruit. Try to eat an orange daily. It is very good for you. Thank you.